So balancing a love for law with a crave for cooking. The jury's out. Shadae Bailey has more than 24 hours in her day. Clearly, the jury's not out about that. It is clear. This is a unanimous decision. She joins us now to tell us how she does it all. Shadae, good morning to you. Thank you for joining us on Smile.
Hi, good morning. Thank you so much for having me today.
You are dressed for work.
Yes, I am.
Because you have to go to work. Why did you leave me with all of this food on the table that you've sent in, that you have prepared?
Yes, that is my intention.
Okay. So let's talk a little bit about the two sides of Shadae. How long have you been practicing law?
Well, I have been practicing law for the past 5 years. Yes.
And how long have you been cooking?
Well, perhaps 15 years.
Whoa. You are a self-taught cook too, Shadae.
Yes, actually. And also, I'm a student chef. At the moment, I'm enrolled at a culinary school where I'm being trained to be an official certified chef.
Then when you find time to do that now, lady?
Well, it's about love and balancing.
Oh my gosh. And your love for cooking actually started when you went to Barbados. So tell me a little bit about how it all came together.
Well, when I went to Barbados, I had a need to eat and also to create a nexus between Jamaica and Barbados. So I found that food was that gateway to connect me to Jamaica. So my love started from Barbados, and also before that, from the lessons of my mother.
Right. And then your dad encouraged you to just do the entrepreneurship thing and just jump, and you started to cook. I hear your oxtail is to die for. I hear your stew peas is of the tying kind. You tie people with your...
Yes, that is so. It is gastronomic.
I want to hear more about that, but we don't have the time.
Yes.
So Bougie on a Budget, is that the name of your establishment?
Yes, that is so.
Okay, and tell me a little bit about that, because you feel like people ought to eat very well, and if you have discerning taste, you ought to be able to eat very well, but you need to not be able to have to blow your budget out of the water.
Yes, that is so. I believe in that everyone should have the opportunity to eat well and eat nice without being limited by one's financial resources. Hence why I created the concept so as to allow everyone to eat nice and to enjoy the luxury of the rich.
I read here where you say, in my future high-end restaurant, I want to serve fried cooked dumplings. I don't think people understand the gastronomic quality of fried cooked dumplings. What is a fried cooked dumpling, please, miss?
Well, all right now. So you have the regular dumpling when you boil it, right? And then after you're going to cut it and then fry it, right? And it is the most delicious ever.
Yeah, we call that fry over dumpling. But you call it...
Well, I guess that is the name, but I was just adding a little
flair to it. Of course, if it's bougie, it has to be fried cooked. You can't have a bougie restaurant called it fry over dumpling. Ain't nobody gonna come to your restaurant, lady. So what is it? What is the end game for you, Shadae? Because you're steeped in law, but you also want to do this. I know you're telling us you're training to become a chef. So what's the end game?
Well, the end game is to exist in both spaces and to ensure that I am, securing the bag, for want of a better word, in both law and also the culinary aspect of it.
Wow. Can I ask you, when the culinary starts to really take off and starts to rival the time for the law, if you had to make a decision, counsel, which would you choose?
Well, that is a hard question. But it depends on what is required of me. But definitely both will maintain the same level of respect in my eyes. If it is a need that I need to defend my client, I will definitely choose law. But at the end of the day, if I need to feed my customers, then that is it. It is about balancing and being strategic and channeling my energy to the appropriate areas when I'm so required to do that.
Absolutely, and there's nothing like winning a case and going home and eating a good plate of
Oh my
oxtail
God.
to
Can I
celebrate
tell you?
for both yourself and for your clients. Now you do
Yes.
weddings, you're catering. If there's anybody who wants to, patronize you, where do we find you?
Well, I am on social media, Instagram at lawyer_chef Also, I can be contacted at 466-4553 or
Awesome.
email at shadebailey22@gmail.com.
All right, Counsel, thank you so much for stopping in with us this morning. Good luck in court today.
Thank you.
All
Have a good
right.
day. I hope you enjoy my news.
Yes, tell me what you have here. I see pancakes. I see, what else?
Well, I have
Lobster.
a air fried lobster tail with waffles, steak and egg hash, steamed callaloo with pak choy in coconut milk, and also to keep it simple, I have a turkey sandwich for the kids.
Copy that. Wow, talk about range. I mean, in so
Yes.
many different ways. Thank you very much today. Appreciate you stopping
Thank you
in.
so much
Lawyer
for having
and
me.
chef Shadae Bailey stopping in with us this morning before she heads off to work. We'll be right back with more on Smile, everybody. Soon come.